guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my daughter Athena. My name is Wendy. I am a part-time reseller on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and I am a full-time postal worker. So I try to find time, lunches, after work, to thrift and resell. It's fun. It brings in extra income. It brings us together because we love to thrift. We just love to shop. But I have a different kind of video today. So I did I ordered a ThredUP rescue box.
Open the box.
And it's huge. I thought this was a different box. I don't know what I thought. I ordered a scarf box. This thing is giant. I think it's supposed to have like 20 scarves. I haven't opened it yet, but I did peek in because I was like, what did I order? But it's packaged up nice and neat. I think the scarf boxes are like $16, 24 items. I was wrong. 24 items, and I just wanted to see what kind of stuff I could find. I have an idea of what I want to do with them, depending on how nice or if I could just resell them. But, oh, this is kind of cute. Let's get down to business. So, I like the colors on this. It's textured. But let's see if I see anything on there. It's just probably a little wrap scarf. It's kind of square. I think these are ones that you can actually make into a vest, which would be really cute. But, I mean, it's nothing special. It's cute. What I plan on doing with them, I mean, it cost me like, what, if I paid $16, there's 24 in here. It cost me, you know, what, 50 cents a piece for these, maybe a little bit more. I did have a credit, so with the $5.99 shipping, I think it came to like $21.99, and so it was free with my credit. So, but there's this little textured red one. This one's just Old Navy. You know, I've been sending them with my purses if they're like little, like tying them on like a little scarf, like a little accessory to your purse. And it's been a really big hit. The last one I sent with my Kate Spade purse that I mailed out, I sent a vintage like silk scarf. Super cute, matched, and she said she was going to start coordinating it with all her outfits. But so I thought I could incorporate this with outfits. Like, I usually send a free gift with purchase, any order over $20. And I'm kind of running low on my free gifts anyway, so I was like, I'm gonna try something different. So I have some scarves. This is one of those infinity scarves. Again, nothing special. It's just cute. Be good for like gifts during the winter because everybody likes to accessorize. Might match them up with the outfits that I send out. That's kind of cute. I like that one. It almost looks like, grungy, like it's raw hemmed, and I don't want to say grandpa sweater, but like, you know, that look, like you want that distressed, old, like torn and tattered look. But yeah, that's cute. That purple and the plaid didn't have a brand on it. This says, it does have a tag. It doesn't have a name brand though. It just says one size acrylic polyester made in China. Does have an RN, I'll have to look it up. 98072. Probably nothing special. Little spot on that, I might be able to get that out. I have some Clorox bleach pins coming, but it's like fringe. Next one, it is red and tan. If it was white, it would remind me of Where's Waldo. But it is a tag that is worn down. It's acrylic, 100% acrylic, doesn't have a brand. Again, it's one of those infinity scarves. Kind of cute. I wouldn't wear it, but ooh, this one's really soft. It says it's acrylic, but it's a really soft acrylic. One of those infinity scarves too. Let's see. This is a smaller one. Lightweight. I can see this being tied on a purse. Christopher and Banks. It's just a plaid. I don't even know what it's made of. Oh, that part's torn out. So what we got here? Another tattered one. Almost reminds me of the fabrics that you use whenever you're doing like the maternity shoots. But it's very, very stretchy. Tattered. Don't see a tag on it. Pretty color, that coral. Ooh, this one feels good. It is, almost feels like a pashmina. I'm just waiting for a tag. I don't see a tag. Do you see a tag, sis? Am I missing anything? But yeah, that's what it reminds me of. It feels really good. I don't know. It's paisley with that turquoise blue on the bottom. There's not even a fabric content tag. Again, this is a pinkish coral. It's got some metallic. It's got some fringe, no tag. What do we got here? Oh, it's another infinity. You know what? Some of these scarves we could be wrapping around our face right now, and instead of a mask, might get a little warm. This says cupcakes and cartwheels. That's kind of cute. But it's a neon orange. It's an infinity scarf. I bet that could work. Cute though. Well, that's cute. Let's see. What is it? Charming Charlie. Another infinity scarf. Almost looks like blood splatter. It's kind of pink though.
Blood splatter?
It does look like pink blood splatter. Oh no, I don't know if, I don't think that's a homemade thing. I think it's probably meant to be that way. So many infinity scarves. I wish we just have regular ones. There's a hair on my face. Oh. Regular ones so I can tie them onto the purses. And, oh, that's kind of cute. Almost looks like a tie-dye, like one of those wheels that you used to have back in the day. What are they called? What's Old Navy? You know what I'm talking about?
They had like the little games for it on the Nickelodeon website.
Really?
I used to play those all the time. It was really fun.
It used to be so cool. This is just a really, really cheap one. It probably came from the dollar store, but it's just chevron, tan, look cute with some boots and some jeans. Sell clear jeans, I might send them or something. This one feels pretty good. It is a plaid. It says 100% acrylic dry clean, but it doesn't feel itchy or thick like a regular acrylic. It's pretty long. So it's almost like a blanket. It's that big. Let's see what else. This just says 100% acrylic. RN 134313. I don't know. I'll have to look that up. This one's kind of cute. It's like a chunky knit one. I like this. I actually probably would wear this one. Again, it would look cute with some boots, like a sweater, some jeans. Let's see. What else we got? Oh, that one's cute. It's got that, oh, but it's dingy. You can see that yellow line across there. I'll be able to wash it. But it's like Fair Isle, Nordic kind of print. Feels really good though. Softer than cashmere, D&Y, Super soft, 100% acrylic. It's acrylic, but it feels like cashmere. And this is just a metallic and floral OSFA, one size fits all. Alright, another infinity one. God bless, there's like a whole bunch. It's just like a see-through. God, who donated all of the infinity scarves? But yeah, really sheer, lightweight, extra large infinity. Oh my God, there's another one. This feels like it's probably Old Navy or something. It's just a fleece kind of one. There's no tag on it. And looks like there's 2 more left. Nope, 3 more. What is this? This is a long one. It has a lot of snags though. What should be a nice brand? Nope. No tag. Need some snags. This isn't Old Navy. Old Navy. And speckled tan and white. Infinity. And one more. Oops. Uh-oh. There is a tag. It looks like it's tore out, which means it's also a little ripped. But it's pretty soft. And it's gray. And I don't know. Nothing special. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, just making sure I got all the ones I'm supposed to get, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, am I missing one? I think they shorted me a scarf. Oh my gosh. They owe me like 50 cents. Oh no. I don't think I dropped one. But anyways, that is what we got. I probably can't make my money back if I was to sell them because they're really not anything special. So I'll probably, like I planned, just use them as like free gifts with purchase. Whenever I advertise $20 or more purchase, you know, I send a free gift. I don't say it's brand new. I don't say it's anything special. I just say a small gift. Everybody's usually been pretty happy anyway. Sometimes I give a bracelet. Sometimes I give a little, like a little wristlet or wallet. Sometimes I just send an Avita soap. It just depends on what's close by and, you know, the mood I'm in, I guess. But they're all things that I wouldn't mind getting, and I wouldn't mind getting a scarf as long as there's nothing wrong with it. It's not torn. I mean, would you be happy with something cute? I mean, it's extra, it's free, right? We all like free. But anyways, that's what I have. So let me know what you would do with the scarves if you got them. Have you ever ordered a ThredUP scarf box? And what did you end up doing with them? So I'd like to hear some ideas because I want to figure out what I'm going to do with these. So y'all have a good night.
We're day. You need to get that out.
Yeah. Have a good one.